and welcome to the first of our quick tips videos, and in today's video I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to draw plaits. So all you'll need is a piece of paper and a pencil. So the first way is little c, big C. And so we start off in the middle with a little c. Next we draw a big C around it, and then we reverse that and do a little c that way and a big C around it. We reverse it again and do a little c and a big C. And we carry on like that all the way down the page. Little c, big C, little c, big C, little c, big C, and so on until you've got as much as you want. Okay, so the second method is the zigzag method. And I'm going to draw this in a different colour. So this is my favourite method. So you literally just start off drawing a zigzag like this. And then you simply extend the lines, that one up, that one up, that one up, that one up, and so on for as long as you want. And then you can simply curve those off. To make them look a little bit more realistic. And we can rub up those edges. And I think that looks far better than that, but obviously the choice is up to you. Just a quick tip when you're colouring them in. If you're wanting to do realistic hair like we did on Elsa's plait, the idea is to use your pencil quite lightly and lift off at the end of the stroke. So you start off there and lift, following the direction of the plait and the hair, like that. So you're not doing a line like this, you're doing press down and lift, press down and lift, and that will give you much more realistic hair. You might need a bit of practice, but you'll soon get the hang of it. And then when you're doing the other side, remember again to follow the direction of the hair. So it's still quite a light pressure, but hard down and lift up. Lift up. And once you've got all the hair down that you want, you can do some more layers and you can start adding your shading. I won't do the whole lot, but you get the idea. But like when we were drawing Elsa's hair last week, I'll put a link in the video there. The darkest areas tend to be on the outside, so you can layer in some darker colours here, and also where the hair crosses over in here. those lots of layers of hair that make it look realistic. And you can build up until you've got a really nice result. That's that one. So the third and last one, which I'm going to do in blue just to be different, is 4 lines. So as it suggests, we need to draw 4 lines, and we're going to draw them down like this. Okay, and then you come from one side to this line, and then you come from this side to this line, and again you repeat this until you've gone as far as you want. And like we did for that one, you can then round off these sides to make it look a bit more realistic. And you can rub your guidelines out if you want to. So there we are, 3 ways to draw easy plaits. Let me know which you think is the best or the easiest for you, and drop a comment in the box below, and we'll see you next time for another video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.